Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's course. We are going to discuss about ERP SAP consultant role. Who is a SAP consultant? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. There are different ERP systems, SAP, Oracle, Workday. For this presentation, I choose SAP consultant because it aligns with other some of the product lines outside, such as Oracle or Workday. So let's get started by considering a SAP consultant. Who is a SAP consultant? Person who specializes implementing and configuring SAP software solutions to enhance the business process. There are two types of SAP consultants. One is a functional consultant and there is a technical consultant. What is the difference? Is SAP provides different ERP modules like HR, finance, supply chain management. This functional consultants knows the business how to configure this SAP system. Let us take an example. If Ford wants to implement SAP, let us take a HR module. So SAP HR module will have some functionality. Ford may be having their own HR processes little different than what SAP is providing. So what this functional consultant will do is they work with Ford HR department and they see how they can map the Ford HR processes with SAP HR module. The technical consultants, they will write the programs in order to facilitate some customizations to the SAP system so that can be configured and customized to Ford HR policies or processes. Hope you understood the difference between functional and technical. If not, please write to me or message me. I can give some more explanation. The required skills or tools for SAP are good understanding of different SAP modules and expertise in at least one of the modules, either functionally or technically. The deliverables from SAP consultant is generally, if they are functional, creating the documents, configuration, gap between the SAP HR module versus the, in our use case, Ford HR processes. The deliverables from technical consultants are code deployed onto dev or test or production environments for one of the modules. The average salary is around $100,000. As you can see, the SAP consultant salaries are more given the cost of implementing the budget for this SAP projects is really huge compared to any other modules. In India, it's around 15 lakh rupees. Who is a senior SAP consultant? This person or professional will have very deep understanding of SAP solutions, very complex solutions. Generally, SAP modules cannot be implemented on their own. There will be a lot of data migrations, integrations with other modules within the organization. So this a senior SAP consultant need to have at least couple of SAP implementation experience so that they can add value. The deliverables are similar to functional, say, consultants. Senior consultants will have very deep understanding and they can take very less time. They might have saw this kind of implementations in with their prior experience, so that experience really helped to customize and to deliver the solutions or implementation of SAP projects faster. The average salary in the United States is around $120,000 and in India around 20 lakh rupees per annum. Who is a lead consultant? The lead consultant will have more implementation experience and expertise in multiple areas, especially data migration, analytics, SAP HR, or SAP HANA is a platform to store. SAP Cloud environment is also available. So they will have expected to have experience in SAP Solution Manager to manage the life cycle of the SAP. The deliverables are expert advice, mentorship to the junior SAP consultants and deliver the high quality code. And some of the leadership qualities are expected out of the lead, like collaboration and coordination with multiple teams and multiple stakeholders in multiple countries and time zones and currencies. The average salary of the lead SAP consultant around $130,000 per year. In Indian currency, it's 25 lakh rupees. Who is SAP architect? This SAP architect person will have a very deep understanding of the emerging SAP technology roadmap and the product roadmap. They will try to align those things to the organization which is implementing this SAP solution. They are expected to have broad understanding of not only SAP systems but also other programming languages or IT industry, because a lot of the work in the SAP implementation projects involve the integrations, data migrations, collaborations, training, documentation, troubleshooting, performance monitoring, a lot of aspects this SAP architect is responsible for. So the average salary is around $155,000 yearly, in India around 40 lakh rupees. Eh, the management chain, SAP manager generally for one of the modules like HR module in our example, SAP HR manager will take care of the head. There are different sub modules in the HR like payroll, benefits, and it's a huge system by itself. So this SAP manager will have both functional and technical knowledge and expertise in at least functional or technical SAP implementations, and multiple implementation experience can help. And especially given it's a manager, it's a leadership role, expected to have a great communication, collaboration, and prioritization, mentorship, and negotiation skills. The average salary around $150,000 in the USD, and in India around 35 lakh rupees per annum. So just to wrap it up, this SAP or ERP consultant role is very lucrative. They are highly paid consultants with a lot of impact to the organization which is implementing this SAP solution. Thanks for tuning in. Looking forward to talk to you in my next video. Bye.